Once you master this method, you'll find solving linear equation super easy. Hi everyone, welcome to Top Notch Education. I'm Glenn, your math tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve linear equation using the balanced scale method. The essence of this method is to do the same thing to both sides to keep the scale balanced. Once you master this method, you'll find solving linear equation super easy. Are you ready? Let's jump in. The equal sign is like a perfect balanced scale. Left side equals right side, always. Our goal is to get x alone on one side without tipping the scale. The golden rule is simple. Do the exact same thing to both sides. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide the same number or value on each side. Do that and the scale stays balanced. Break it and your equation's wrong. Ready for examples? Now let's do this. 3x plus 8 equals 23. We use inverse operations, the opposite move, to unwrap x step by step. First, get rid of the easiest part, the plus 8. Opposite is subtract 8. So we subtract 8 from both sides. Great. Now we have 3x equals 15. Since x is multiplied by 3, so the opposite is divide by 3. So we divide both sides by 3. Now we have x equals 5. And that's the answer. Let's check the answer. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. Bingo! We've just solved a linear equation. See the pattern? Always remove addition or subtraction first, then multiplication or division, and always do it to both sides. 3 quick tips to remember. Number 1. Always do the operation to both sides. Number 2. Check every answer by plugging it back in. Number 3. When stuck, just picture the balance scale in your head. It guides you. Follow these and solving linear equations will become way less scary. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you'd like to join my online tutorial classes, you can find the details in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.